Hi, it's Sara Rayner here from Crafting and Stamping, and I'm back with one of my quick tips. And today it's how to use a large stamp such as this floral one from the hand penned petals as a background stamp. So we've already used it tone on tone with fresh freesia on this card here, and I'm going to show how I did that using pale papaya and stamping it onto some basic white. So I'm inking up my stamp with pale papaya ink, and what I'm going to do is just get this so that it's stamped sort of onto a corner here like that, and then we're going to ink it again and turn it around and stamp it onto a different corner here. Now I'm not going to worry too much about small gaps because we will probably cover that up with a panel in the centre, but I'm now going to just rotate it again and stamp it here in this corner. And this sort of image, which is sort of a non-symmetrical one, is a great one to be able to use because you can then go back and fill in a little bit some of the corners that we've got. So I'll just do that. So we've got all of our four corners done, but we've also got a few gaps in the middle, which I'm now going to fill in a little bit just by going onto the edges, and I'm trying not to overlap the image too much. There's a tiny bit there, but not so much that it is a problem. And I'll come in now with my leaves over here as well, and that then gives us a great background to be able to use. Clean that up in a moment. So you can see then if we add a panel over there, that gives us our background. So you get a great background with just one stamp. That's a single stamp that's just been rotated and used. So I hope this helps for you to make your stamp stretch a little bit further. Thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for quick tips in the future, and I'll see you again soon.